now. Outside. We are celebrating Sundays. Warsaw with there. Right now, celebrity Sundays look like black thing. No doubt about it. Roadblock like as always.
Big up the CEO, Killer Filler.
Ah, Killer Filler, the CEO. Yeah.
Proud of you, General. Go and keep it.
Ah, outside, celebrity Sunday. We are forward in there. I see what I go on. I look mad from out the road.
Good look, every Sunday I say it.
Every Sunday.
Yeah.
Jamaican Life Abroad TV out tonight.
Every Jamaican there, so. White one.
Yes, so Jamaican there. You want to see all white Jamaican, Indian Jamaican and Coolie Jamaican.
Right, yes, there.
Every Jamaican out tonight. Celebrity Sunday. Yes, I found there. Them fi know. Them no know. Ah, outside. Jamaican Life Abroad.
Some of them are pussy. You hear? Not for them you see they are foreign. When them go back in them place, them are the biggest pussy one. And they make the most stuff chat when them they are foreign. And after fucking know much of them you know have stay and them they go far back a yard. Anytime the pussy them touch on the island, hey, guess what them there? Them there are real. But I real you see the pussy them are going like them are tourists, like they never born in Jamaica. Even to all of us, anywhere you come from, you are thugs there. I'm going to tell you this now. Anywhere we go to Jamaica, if we not have no tough link in them, we not stay them. We not stay, none tall. You hear? Remember me tell you that blood. Some things have been there around the corner, some 5 minutes away. All the way you gangster that you play, you should not be on them like here. Some of this motherfucker you want to take it out of yard. The man, don't tell them already. All the nothing in your place, I know say you want to go down to. I know you are a pussy. You can't say you're done. And you want to say become a party for each of them in one corner with empty gun. You idiot. Don't do so. Can you imagine? One day over there, Sunday over there, not around. Level. Big up every hustler. Big up all the pickpocket them. But you don't see me a bar with nobody boy. No time at all. Who me bar with? Who don't want to hear this block sticking in your blood clot ears? Big up Alco Blocks, freedom is a must. Big up Sean Alliance. And from a big them up, I have to big up Axe too. You hear? Alco freedom. Big up every youth. We got prison before. That prison never make for dog. Prison are some of my friends them yard. But big up the youth never got prison and one out. Fake it. Blood clot here. One out. Fuck now. boy can't listen to my friend.
Anything else are asthma?
One
part.
Yo, why not? Tell
Hustlers! I like every girl enough to fuck here. Some girl will fuck you and take where you look. And be careful because some girl come under disguise. You hear? Don't walk on it! What?
Yo, stop.
I swear.
Something about it to make your hair
Both of them from Gambia to UK to JA. Give this blue money. Just put the head people, see smoke of them when I fuck up around here. No joke. Anyway, remember, weekend, one kind and another kind or a pound kind. You know a big kind, see? So make sure no sugar. But Shirley, Frisco Kid, aka Gavin. Anybody know Frisco Kid? We know why I'm calling him that. Gavin, big up yourself. Your turn next week Sunday. Big time, you know what thing go, brawling, load of bossy club. So people, this selector is none other than Big Bad Mighty O'Neal, aka Killer Filler. No boy no what? No boy no copy and paste that. See code? Killer Filler.
You are going up. Big man pays down 2 o'clock.
Yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad.
Not bomb push the last
Subscribe
night
for me,
is down
please.
2 o'clock. I want to
Jamaican
push the
Life
last
Abroad.
smoke in everything. I will not
go over time and I try to push over. I don't want to smoke in the dark, man.
Please.
I don't want to tell you nothing. I don't want to say nothing. One day hold them smoking, please. If man want some overtime, I'm here to take the risk in the dark. Hold them smoking, man. Man, the man will be 9 hours, you can't smoke that. Hold them smoking. Hold them smoking, please. Yeah, big enough. I'm doing the thing. I want to give him some extra time. I know why someone not smoke now, you know, the money blood clot done, because Jeremy run out the buckle them. So they better push off the empty buckle them off my table, because when we start the dogs juggling, we don't want to see the empty buckle on the blood clot table. So we better roll out some money, make sure we're not broke. But before we go this up, I hear somebody that see biggest blood clot artist in the area. For me, I don't business about nobody else. This is my artist. This is my artist. With the body be a good fuck, I ask you, baby, you smell good in it. Every girl like that song that you're pushing me. Every girl
Get your pussy that shit up. Yeah, skin out to the yeah, skin out your pussy. A girl from the Caribbean there. A girl from the Caribbean there. A Jamaican there. You can't even bump up my boy cocky. You don't give a boy an infection. The wife them from here. The wife them pouring the blood clot. The wife them pouring. Very good job, put up here. Every time we have good job, what's the class here, what's next week, Lord, right? Well, the Lord of
That's the main.
Support the thing. I have to see how me appreciate it. But all of me smoking, man. Come on, man. General and all of me smoking. We don't fight against it, but we don't hold it down. We don't see too much, we don't hold it down. You understand? Ladies! Some guys can't run in there like the ugly folk. Also, my girl on the surgery. Care about the surgery at Turkey. Care about the blood clot surgery at the ER. From what year, some girl will just do them body look good in the blood clot. Some girl on the rich old too. But don't want to go do over the blood clot body because some selector for the top. Big up the girl and know you look good. You do your body and you're full of confidence in the blood clot. But we want to pick up the natural body girl. The natural body girl in there. Natural body here, they show up under the blood clot here. Some girl body natural because they don't have the money yet to do your body. Move on the blood clot too. So alright, me up there. Alright, go on down what about the people there.
Please, will hold it down. Boy, every week I sleep with your ball out for the club. No, sir. Jaja. Every week you have your ball out the safety man. Hold it down, no, man. You have push the time on still. I tell you the blood clot. You can't please it. God, no. Trust me. Just hold it down. Please. You have asked to hold it down. Now they're going to hold up the vibes.
Tanzania. Me and Bailey, big up again. They say, Bailey friend them round him. If something start right now, all the Bailey friend they know you're not running if your friend must fight blank in a blood clot here. All the Dubby friend they must fight blank for Dubby. All the your friend, salute your friend right now. You're not running if your friend. Why not tell him pussy that the dog? Tell them now. Some of them are going to suck out the woman. You never say.
Okay, nice.
Some boy from Bailey man stop sucking down and run the money for the people. But suck on the woman. Some of you they must fight black. Not Bailey man that can stop taking your man you. Every man that have your pin to them. Send out your blood clot pin to them. Send out your pin to them now. What you did? All who say your pin to them and a big life. Some white people are a passport.
want to go to Jamaica. I'm going to stop with the woman. Some of them are going to make a bag of money and play for your troops in Jamaica. Pick up the real bad blood clot people. The far road, Clarendon. What are they? Those are all the songs. Every week before when I read that the part time and we don't play that song. Those are all the songs. Alfie, big up. Music land, that's some money around here. Big guy ready for this Saturday.
My dogs, everybody's here. We represent for the laws of laws. I gotta do a deal of them. From them up,
everybody screech it out. Screech it. I mean, they got one more. Ladies, we have 3 tickets to give it for the soca party. Remember? Yeah, just share if you are your friend. The soca carnival for Caribbean. Alright. Now we have to can't get 3 again for my friend one. Hold on, that's one here. That's one there. Where you grab for the you again? What I don't want to get to that grab feet serious. Don't we kidding? Don't forget my birthday. You know, you look was a loyalty come to town. Critical. You understand?
You know the one they are loud, the one they are buck, the one they are turn up, you know, do the fully book feet. You understand? Raga will be fully book feet. The party there is an elegant party. And anything me are keeping up, people have to spend their money. You can't go like Roman on the back of the blood clot line, and with the front line. Yeah. Pay party where people just come out in a normal blood clot too. Yeah man, I done the party this Saturday. I know. It's a day event. Remember my book feet, you know. Yeah man. Remember my book feet. Day event. I know. Wolverhampton. Killer full of book feet. Big kind of stuff. You know, we don't stop cheering for big kind. Never stop cheering for big kind. And somebody like, what? I know you think loud like that. Big kind boss lady, don't worry. Remember Rooksy come to town? Yeah, panic birthday bash, and straight up. You understand? People right now, you know, let me up a bit faster. I'm going to give a fighting and smoking. I'm going to put that to my pressure budget. I'm going to go over so much. Next week, I got it good. We'll come out early. What if we do? We split up in 1 and 4 and just raffle. One raffle. One raffle. 400 pounds. It's a breeze. He's from London. So put up your money and let's say now. No, don't put up that. Yeah, take out one ticket now. One. 400 pounds. Now raffle. One blood clot ticket. One ticket. Number 53. We'll see you at 53. Don't call it 2 more times. 53. Don't call it again. I have it here. You have it? Send it over to say. What the why you have to come for people that feel like the tree? Can't come with the pack. How far is the deal? See the people 53, like I feel the other one. See my 53 yeah. I'm not exit the building now, yeah? Next week at Davington, come out earlier. This Saturday big time. You understand? Big up everybody way forward. You come over there, you know. Oh, you're running like golf, so. You know, so I will pass it there like golf. How they call you keep on a hand? People, think up on yourself. People have to exit the building now. Security! Triple, 4th October. You know, all of them that tell me I said, come represent the cases. Marlon the 18, they are dead alive. You understand? People, think up on yourself. German, hold that charger here. I remember saying the charger before. You are going to see the thing, so this time of the time in shop, now go blame on the friend and we are smoke. And we are fight. I don't know what this is, man. You give man an hour, and I take 25 minutes and 30 minutes. I'm my God, may I see you. I mean, I never see the car right, but we are going to make you start the treat someone there. You have to start 30 time. You understand? Now then wow. Then when me not get that time to play, how it go? It's like we build a big house and a man living in my house and we can't sleep in there. Joke that. People, we have to exit now, please. Everybody exit the building. Leave! I know your party 23rd of August. You know, see after leave party, you know, Kerry's party. My friend here, you know, your party is alone. You know, you're not going to book feet. Don't worry about it. You understand? Every party we got now, people not believe the building now. Don't call it again. I have it here. You have it? Send it over Woody Park, why you have to come see people that feel like the tree? Can't come Woody Park. How far is the deal? See the people 53, that have been here what? See my 53 yeah. I'm not exit the building now, yeah? Next week at Covington, come out earlier. This Saturday big time. You understand? Big up everybody way forward. You come around and you know. How are you? Oh, you're running like golf, so. You know, so I won't pass it there like golf. How do you call when you take on a hand? People, big up on yourself. People have to exit the building now. Security! Triple, 4th October. You know, all of me that tell me I said come and represent the cases. More than the year team, they are dead alive. You understand? People, big up on yourself. German, hold that charge here. I remember saying the charge before now. You are going to select them, so we start with the time in shop. Now, go blame on the friend and we'll smoke. And we'll fight. I don't know what this is, man. You give man an hour, and I take 25 minutes and 30 minutes. Because my God, me I see you. I'm not never select that right, but me I'm going to start the treat some man there. You have to start cut the time. You understand? Now, then, wow. Then when me not get that time to play, how we go? It's like maybe a big house and a man living in my house and I can't sleep in there. Joke that. People, when I have to exit now, please. Everybody exit the building. Leave! I know your party 23rd of August. You know, see after leave party, you know, Kerry's party. My friend Dana, you know your party is alone. You know, you have to a good feet. Don't worry about it. Every party we got now. People not believe the building now.
All the way can go on. The outside. Woody Pong.
I don't promote that, give me some flyers. Some people ask for the event. I don't promote that, give me some flyer, please. People that exit the building, please. People that exit from it. Please, no disrespect. Thanks for your support, no flow. Manners and respect.
Hurry!
We'll have to clear the girls, don't have to leave here. People exit the building, please.
Woody Pong. Outside tonight, yeah.
Drop the cup, please. I might just ruin.
Yeah. Outside. Celebrity Sunday. Overs. Outside. It's all over. And done.
Look after yourself, we're glad there, you know. Glad there, yeah?
Yeah. Outside.
Naomi.
Party finished. You go back. Outside. Food. Outside. Celebrating over. You see me getting valid. Outside. Celebrity Sunday over. Yeah? Yeah, it's all over. Outside. When you can get too much, it's coming from the government. What is it?
Celebrity Sunday, I wear the fun there. Each and every Sunday, I watch. Celebrity Sunday! Yeah. People, please subscribe, share the channel. Jamaica Living Abroad, Jamaica Life Abroad TV. You see me? No joke, each and every Sunday. Alright, I said that. Yes, sir. Jamaican come enjoy themselves. I say, my man left with food. Yeah, there. No joke. Madam me. Junglist. What is a jungle? Subscribe me, please.
Please subscribe it. Where you stop? Yeah, subscribe to before you go. Jamaican Life, L-I-F-E.
Sorry, come and tell you with them, man. What's the script? What's the police there?
Life, L-I-F-E.
TV.
Yeah, Life Abroad.
TV.
Yeah. Abroad, I didn't say put abroad. Yes, there's it.
Oh.
There's it. Thanks. Appreciate it, yeah? Excuse me. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Can I subscribe to my channel, please?
I already done it earlier.
Okay, alright. Thanks. Outside. Yeah, how you mean? Celebrity Sunday, over. And we are, yeah. You subscribe to my channel? Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Yeah, subscribe, please, enter. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Outside ladies. Me to tell you. Now you want me to bad like you. Outside. Celebrity Sunday over. Time to go home. Wow, so Celebrity Sunday, every Sunday. Killer Fella, the CEO. Outside. Corey!
Oh, your mother. Everybody.
Marichin, are you pass me some? Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Look out for my TV channel. Jamaican Life Abroad. Please don't touch. Yeah. Yeah. I saw it look when it's over. Celebrity Sunday. Odipang night. Mad sick head no good. Alright, say no more. This is what it's like on a Sunday night.
Jamaica Life Abroad TV, please like and subscribe, yeah?
I mean, Jamaican Life Abroad TV, outside. This is what it look like on a Sunday night. Rasta, I will tell you. Outside. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. outside Udipang round robin. Celebrity Sunday. Them fi know. Lock it off and fuck up and I go in. Them fi know.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.